Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
All right, guys, today is the day. We are going to walk through our brand new Heartland 2XL model here in Burlington. We've got 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,962 total square feet. We've got hidden pantries. We've got a utility room that you're not gonna believe. We've got one of the prettiest front porches I've ever seen today. So you are going to absolutely love this video. If you or you know anyone interested in building their dream home, please get with me directly with my email, SHIELDS, shields@NCCustomModulars with an S. That's shields@NCCustomModulars with an S.com. And as always, guys, sit back and enjoy the show. Thanks. All right, guys, here it is. This is our new Heartland 2XL model here in Burlington. On the website, we've got it labeled as the Heartland 2XL Laundry Plus. As you can see here, we've got 1,962 square feet, 3 bed, 2 bath. Check it out. I mean, this front porch is just unbelievable. So I'm gonna run through a few things once I get up there with you. But you've got a 8x32 double gable front porch with the vaulted ceiling. We didn't stop there. We did the tongue and groove up there in the vaulted ceiling. Front porch is sitting on a full foundation there that you can see. Absolutely beautiful treated lumber post. And then you've got the black aluminum pickets. Absolutely beautiful. We did recently stain the posts. Look at the woodwork there. All the detail, the sculpting. All right, so this house has our new LP Smart Siding. It is basically a little bit more affordable and more durable than your traditional, what you would think of, hardy siding. So it is a cementous siding, but it's LP Smart Siding. There's different colors, different trims. As you can see, we did the black trim with the white siding there. This is the new black Salem trim. So you know, you can almost see it on the Sparta over there, but the white Salem trim, the white picture frame molding is included. You can always go to the black like we did here. And these are our new farmhouse shutters that we're offering. Absolutely stunning. Double side lights on this front door. We did add an additional exterior light. I would say just one is included. Guys, this thing is absolutely beautiful. So you are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. Got your natural wood beam color there. It opens up into your dining and your just a really great kitchen there. All right, I'm gonna pan back around to the front door. All right, so there are a ton of new things in this model. I'm going to try to hit on all the new things that you have never seen and you know, just talk about the plan in general. So first of all, this is the alternate kitchen for the Heartland series, okay? When you do the alternate kitchen, it does present a great opportunity to do the hidden bootlegger pantry, which you will see today as well. This is a brand new optional range hood, absolutely beautiful. This is a new backsplash option, and you do know that you can run the backsplash all the way to the ceiling there. With that alternate kitchen, you do pick up a double-sided island. I do want to point out this is a black, this island is black, and that is an optional color. And the natural cabinet color that you're seeing today is now one of the 3 included colors. Absolutely beautiful. This dining space features the new triple atrium door there. So you've seen a number of the double atrium doors. That is the new triple. And it's been a long time since I've seen something like this, running the shiplap kind of halfway up the wall, kind of acting as a chair rail and an accent wall at the same time. And then we ran that down the hallway and then back up this side as well. We'll get to that side, but I do want to go back to the kitchen. So we did go with the black trim package, knobs, hinges, light fixtures, all that stuff. When you go to the black package, that does not include this chandelier or pendant lights over the island. Those are optional on top of the optional black package. And I will go through all that with you. You are seeing some quartz tops today. You can option in a pot filler on any plan. Pasta arm, whatever you want to call it. Really nice touch, and it's not super expensive either. We did option in the under cabinet lights. This is new, the black sink, which I love. You know the transom windows are optional. That size is like 450 bucks, call it. You'll see a number of those today. Notice how nice the trim or the crown is on the cabinetry there. Really beautiful. Last but not least, the bootlegger or hidden pantry. So this can be in other kitchens, of course, but it is, I love bringing people in here. It is just the coolest thing to see their reaction. So this leads you to that Heartland, you know, always large walk-in pantry. You are seeing the optional wooden shelving in the pantry and the master closet. And then there's the appliance shelf, the $150 appliance shelf that's for your microwave or whatever you want to put there. I mean, look at all this space. We added a number of can lights today, one in the pantry. I do just want to say, you know, one would be included. We added one there. We added 4 in the dining room as well. You would just have your chandelier in the dining. The 4 in the living room are included at no extra cost. All right, so let's go down the hallway and we're going to stop at bath 2 on my right. So as far as options in this bathroom, we did the quartz in the kitchen. We did not do that in here. That's the standard sink, countertops. We did go with the lighted mirrors. Those are the included vanity lights with the black trim package. Now this is the new optional bath to option, or I guess any bathroom, but tub shower option, okay? So it's a lot larger than your typical tub shower insert. It's not super expensive. If you could see it in person, it really does look quite a bit bigger. We also added a can light in the bathroom. It would typically be just your vanity lights there and your exhaust light. That's your exhaust, and you know it has a light, of course. And we did add a transom window over the tub shower. Bed 2 and bed 3. So this is the Heartland 2 XL. So you've got 4 feet added front to back. So these bedrooms, you can feel that 2 feet that the front half of the house, you know, gets. Basically the front half gets 2 and the back half gets 2. And it really, you can really feel it in the spare bedrooms. They become quite a bit larger. Wired embrace for a ceiling fan, all the bedrooms are. We also optioned in to make both of the spare bedrooms double windows. It does add a lot of light to a room. It does a lot for front elevation as well. So that's something to think about. Not super expensive again. Just know there's single windows included for the spare bedrooms. Nice size closets too. You could option to make these more of a double door if you wanted to. Again, similar closet and bedroom size. All right, so really the selling feature besides the kitchen and just this plan in general is this utility room. So it's a side loading utility room. You got an exterior door literally off the side of the house for a carport, garage, what have you. And then you've got just this incredible utility room. All right, so as far as options and things we did, the hall tree, always gonna be optional. We added the fold out ladder instead of just having a scuttle hole for the attic access. And check it out, guys. So this is the pet shower. Of course, this can be in other plans, but this is the new pet shower that we're doing. You've got your bowls down there, place for the food storage there. Your handheld faucet there, spray them down, perfect. Got the can light up there, of course, to give you some light to work with. And then we basically made this a secondary kitchen. Of course, you got the utility sink there, tons of countertop space. I just envision, you know, you're kind of folding your clothes over there, got your sink going, dog wash area, litter boxes in here if you're a cat person and a dog person. You know, you can work this how you want to. I wouldn't call all of this stuff included, of course, as far as the cabinetry, but work it to your lifestyle. You know, you could cut the cabinetry in half and leave a spot open for, I mean, you could put a desk there, you could put the litter boxes there, whatever. So you could build something, you know, after the fact. And then you know that's included over your washer and dryer. I've had a few people say they want 2 washer and dryers lately. Maybe you want to do that in here. Just know, oh yeah, I wanted to talk about the stretch we did. So we stretched this plan 2 feet side to side. So your typical Heartland 2 is 60 feet. We stretched it to 62. So I can talk about that more in detail if you guys would like, but basically, yeah, we not only is it an XL, meaning we had 4 feet front to back, but we had the 2 feet side to side as well, which takes us to 1,962 square feet. All right, now for the master suite. One thing you're going to see right off the bat, we added shiplap to the for an accent wall there to kind of go with the theme we were running in the hallway. Really nice touch. We also added 4 can lights in the master bedroom, as you can see there. Anytime you see a ceiling fan, the ceiling fan is extra, but the wire and bracing, of course, is included. This closet is awesome. So you'll see the premium wood shelving there, or upgraded wood shelving. We kind of added on to the included shoe cubby there with some shelving. Some more shelving over here. Just a really nice size. I love it. People have been going crazy over this house. All right, so on to the bathroom. You're gonna see the new 4x6 shower, accompanied by lighted mirrors. Got the big 5-foot transom up above, letting in all that light. Also a transom window in the shower. The black lighted mirrors. Look at all those cabinets. All right, so this is the 4x6 shower. You've seen a few of these at this point, but that is the new sliding glass door option. So you're probably pretty used to seeing the open air concept with kind of that half wall with glass and then kind of an open entrance. You can option this in now. We optioned in to run the tile to the ceiling. The rain head, of course, is included, but we did add another can light up there. So that's something, if you want it to look like that, add another can light. When you go to the 4x6 shower, that does leave you enough room to option in the true water closet, okay? When you go to the 4x8, that toilet has to become on this wall. So you don't have the option to enclose it like you're seeing there. But the 4x8, the larger one with the permanent built-in bench, is available in this bathroom as well as the standalone tub, of course. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was so excited to show you this. I have really enjoyed showing it to customers in person. It is really, really nice. So stop by and see us. 2450 North Church Street in Burlington, North Carolina, 27217. Our office number is 336-226-9066. Ask to speak with me. All right, guys. Take care.